Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn, Paint, and Meditate. So, we will be drawing today the California Valley Quail. But first, I'd like to start with a quote from Vincent van Gogh. And that it's something I want you to think about even as you're drawing and creating with me. But I also want you to see if you can apply it to other areas of your life. You see, Vincent van Gogh is, of course, an artist, but at the same time, even if you don't deem yourself to be an artist of the professional level, there's something to be said about becoming the fullest you that you can be, right? And so when you listen to this quote, I want you to apply it in whatever area of your life that you need to really find that more centered place in how you approach it. What I am in the eyes of most people, a non-entity, an eccentric, or an unpleasant person, someone who has no position in society and will never have, in short, the lowest of the low. All right then, even if that were absolutely true, then I should like to show by my work what such an eccentric, such a nobody has in his heart. Let me read that again. What I am in the eyes of most people, a non-entity, an eccentric, or an unpleasant person, someone who has no position in society and will never have, in short, the lowest of the low. All right then, even if that were absolutely true, then I should like to show by my work what such an eccentric, such a nobody has in his heart. If this is your first time coming to the channel, basically what I do is I draw and you draw alongside me. Or if you feel so inspired, just use this time as the music is playing and as those words are floating through your soul and your spirit. And just allow this to be a creative space for you. A time that you set aside, no more than 15 to 20 minutes, where you can sit and create. Really, it's a form of meditation like no other, because it's causing you to choose to sit still, to let your mind come to the page, and to allow whatever has been working itself out in your heart to come forth on the paper. It's a testament to that thing that you're trying to wrestle with, to let your mind relax and let your heart and your spirit speak to you. All right, let's get started. passage that I read is from a book called The Crossroads of Should and Must by L. Luna. And it really is a book that takes you to that place of remembrance of those things maybe you once dreamed of when you were younger, and maybe you thought those times have long passed. But I do remind you that if every day we're growing and learning, and the Spirit of God is starting to dwell even more intimately with us, then I ask you to go back to those things that you once loved and see how they can be resurrected in your life again. When I am in the eyes of most people a non-entity or an eccentric or an unpleasant person, and someone who has no position in society, and will never have, in short, will be the lowest of the low. All right, then, even if that were absolutely true, then I should like to show by my work what such an eccentric, such a nobody has in her heart. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please like and share and subscribe to the channel, and make sure and hit the bell to get the notifications for all of the videos I do around creativity.